Everything's in the inspection area. It's under 12 inches and the Bluetooth is off.
Give a thumbs up when you're ready. All right. Right. 3, 2, 1, let go. Woohoo!
It's called slide.
Thank you.
Yeah, slide. Woohoo!
2 minutes.
All right. Next one's drifting.
Good.
Leave it.
That's in, right?
Yeah, it's in. Part of it's touching the gray.
There you go.
Okay, you still have like a minute left, so you can wait for it before you do the last one.
No, just make sure you have it on. Apologies. So we just wait?
Yes.
How long does it spin?
Like, I don't know, before we did like half a minute, right? So we should wait until.
I think we should go at 15 seconds because even if it's like, doesn't it keep going?
Yeah, it goes for a while.
So I mean, like, even if it's still moving in the time, we still have time.
And you have everything set up,
That's the
right?
count, right?
Yes? Proper mission?
We said 50, 20 seconds. I don't know. You can say hi to
How much time is left?
45.
Oh, okay.
Let's go at 20.
Okay. Say hi. 35 seconds.
I can go now.
30 seconds. I don't know. Do you want to go now? Or
Wait like 5 more seconds.
Hold it.
You're at the right mission?
Hold
Bars?
it.
Yes.
Hold it.
We're going at 15.
Hold
You
it.
can go now. Just in case. Yeah, you can start if it Okay.
Woohoo! Okay, how much time is there? 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! The robot is dancing at the end of the mission. Our innovation project and all 3 health units are touching the gray, and our step counter is at blue.
Yeah.
Cool.